mic எடுத்துருங்க, இதை ஹெல்ப் பண்ணிடுங்க. ஓகே சார்.
Good morning to one and all. I welcome all the participants, both faculty and student participants, for this webinar on venture capital funding opportunity for early stage entrepreneurs. The venture capital financing is one of the important opportunity available for the budding entrepreneurs, those who are having innovative ideas in their mind. Which can be converted into a business. Those innovative ideas which can be converted into an industry. This is the way given by the venture capital funds to start up their business. So that the venture capital refers to the finance provided by the venture capitalist. They are the firms offering financing support to the entrepreneurs who are investing in relatively new high growth companies. They are called as startups that have a potential to grow and develop into highly profitable ventures. This venture capital is also known as risk capital because there is a risk involved in such kind of financing, which may sometimes leads to failure of the business, so that there is a risk of losing the finance given by the venture capital firms. So that it is called a risk capital. Investors having innovative ideas can approach the venture capital firms for financing their startups. Okay, so the basic concepts relating to the venture capital funding. It is a private or institutional investment made to early startup companies. It is a money invested in business that are small or exist only as an initial stage but have huge potential to grow. The people who invest this money are known as venture capitalists. Those who are involved in such kind of financing activities called venture capitalists. It is an investment made when a venture capitalist buys shares of the startup company and become a financial partner in the business. This is the peculiar concept relating to the venture capital financing. Those startups which are financed by the venture capitalist may become a partner of the business. Then afterwards, once the business is developed in a particular stage, then the venture capital firms may exit out of the business. By initiating company for IPO, initial public offering, they may sometimes buy the percentage of shares, or otherwise they may exit. It is known as buyback strategies. Buyback strategy in the sense, the venture capital entrepreneur, he may procure funds from the public in the form of initial public offering and become a major shareholder of the company and attracting or inviting the public for investment. These are the final stage in the venture capital financing. There are certain important things with the help of the venture capital is available for the entrepreneur. Venture capital institutions lets entrepreneurs to convert their knowledge into viable projects with the assistance of such venture capital institutions. It is one of the ways and means for entrepreneurs to convert their business ideas into practical. It helps new products with modern technology become commercially feasible. It promotes export-oriented units to earn more foreign exchange It not only provide the finance institution, but also assist in management, technical and other activities. It strengthens the capital market, which not only improves the borrowing concern, but also creates a situation whereby they can raise their own capital through capital market. It promotes modern technology through the process where financial institutions encourage business ventures with new technology. Many Sikh companies get a turnaround after getting proper nursing from such venture capital institutions. These are the important things arising out of the venture capital activities. Generally, the most important thing is the venture capital funds are assisting the new entrepreneurs, those who are having innovative ideas, will be financed. They are assisted in the way of seed capital, startup capital, and first stage, second stage, third stage financing. There are 4 to 5 stages of financing done by the venture capital firms towards the new entrepreneurs. These are the features of venture capital. Initially, I told you that it is a risk capital because it is owned by the high risk. So that it's called as high risk investment. It is highly risky and the chances of failure are much higher when compared to other sources of finance. And also it is a long-term startup capital to high risk, high reward ventures. Those business ideas are considered as viable will be financed by the venture capital firms. So there is a chances of risk, high risk. Once the risk is assumed in the higher level, the return will also be in higher rate. Then high-tech projects. Normally, venture capital supports will be given for high technology-oriented projects, which are using new technologies as they have higher returns. Participation in management is the third feature of venture capital. They are taking part in the management, in making top-level decisions. That is called the strategic decisions. Since they are becoming partner, venture capital firms are becoming a partner of the business, they are taking part of the top management decisions. Normally, the top management decisions are relating to the strategic level decisions. They are determining the direction of the business. And the length of the investment relating to the venture capital is more than 5 years, normally 3 to 7 years. The process takes several years for having significant returns and also needs the talent of venture capitalists and entrepreneurs to reach completion. At the time of completion, the exit strategy will be taking place. Then the another feature, illiquid investment. It is an investment that is not subject to repayment on demand or a repayment schedule. Once the investment is made in the business, the venture capital firm have to wait for a longer period. Only after that they can reap the benefits, either by selling their investment, like buyback of shares. It may be sold to the entrepreneur himself, or otherwise it may be floated to the public. Then the next thing is the stages involved in the venture capital finance. It's the important aspect in venture capital financing. The first stage or initial stage of the venture capital funding is started with the seed stage. In this stage, small amount of capital is provided to an entrepreneur to market a better idea having future prospects. Okay, this is the starting stage of the venture. Once conceptualizing their idea, the entrepreneur can get the seed financing. Before that, he has to submit his proposal to the venture capital firm. Once the firm is satisfied with the business idea submitted by the entrepreneur, they are eligible to upper the seed stage. The investor, that is called the venture capital firm, will take the business plan before making any investment. they are not satisfied with the idea, or he does not see any potential in the idea or product, then the investor may not consider the idea. They are with that initial procedure. Once or otherwise, if the part of the idea is worth, then the investor may spend some time and money further on the idea. This is the positive stage in the venture capital funding. At this stage, the risk factor is very high because there are many uncertain factors. Since it is a risk capital, there is a chances for high risk. The venture capital firm will decide whether to assist the project or not. Once they are considering that idea for financing, then they will offer the seed capital. This is called seed stage. Then second stage is called startup stage. If the idea or product is fit for further investigation, then the process moves on to the second stage called startup stage. In this stage, venture capital has to submit a business plan which must include the following. Here the venture capital means the entrepreneur. He has to submit a business plan including the following aspects. First one is the executive summary of the business plan. It is an overall bird's eye view of the entire business plan, containing all the important aspects in it. Second requirement is the review of current competitive scenario. The current competitive strength and weaknesses should be included in the business plan, and also the opportunities and also threats involved in the business should also be included in this business plan. Then third one is the detailed financial projection. Unlike the executive summary and the review, a detailed financial projection should include all related concepts relating to the implementation of the business plan should be included in it. Normally, there are certain sections involved in the detailed financial projections: technical related, financial, marketing, and R&D related activities should be specifically given in the business plan in this detailed financial projections. Apart from that, financial analysis for not less than 3 years should also be submitted with the business plan. Projected balance sheet and profit income statement should be incorporated with the business plan. And the next thing is details of the management of the company should also be included. It is the organizational structure, proposed organizational structure, which should be included in the business plan. Then the description of the size and the potential of the market. Expected size and the potential of the market should also be prepared on the basis of the predictions, forecasts made by the entrepreneur, and should be included. The above analysis needs to be submitted in order to decide whether or not venture capital to take the project or not. Only after considering the above factor, the venture capital firm will decide whether to accept the project or not for financing. This type of financing is provided to complete product development and commence initial market strategies. This is the second stage of venture capital financing. Then second stage, the third stage involved in the venture capital financing, second stage financing. At this stage, the idea transforms into a product and is being sold. Okay. In this stage, second stage of venture capital financing, the business idea will be transformed into a product or service and is to be sold. The main goal at this stage is to venture tries squeezing between the rest and getting some market shares from the competitors. It's the exploitation stage in which the business idea which will be converted to a business and which will try to exploit some percentage of market share from the competitors. This is the initial starting of the business. It will start exploiting the market shares from the competitors. The management is being monitored by the venture capital firms in order to know the capability of the team just to ensure the development process of the product and how they respond to the competitors. Apart from the investment made by the venture capital firms, they are also monitoring the management and their decisions. Normally, the management decisions are important for the success of the business. The decisions made by the management will determine the success of the business. Normally, 75% of the failures are due to the inefficient decisions made by the management. So that the venture capital firms, since they are taking risk, they are monitoring the management decisions also. If the firms find out that the capabilities are against the competition, then the venture capital might not go to the next stage. This is the decision taken by the venture capital firms by interfering with the management decisions. If the decisions made by the management is not on the way prescribed by the venture capital firm, then they will stop financing the projects at this stage. They will not go to the next stage. At this stage of financing, working capital is provided by the venture capital firms for the expansion of the business in terms of the growing accounts and inventory. Working capital is the capital required for the day-to-day requirements. This is called circulating capital, which are needed to increase their marketing activities. When they are going for higher production, they have to expand their market. In such a case, there is a need for working capital, increasing need for working capital. Mostly such kind of working capitals are provided in the second stage financing. At this stage, risk factor decreases as the product is not developing at the formal startup stage, but it concentrates on the promotion and sales of the products. Since they are expanding their production, there is a need for higher level of working capital. So such kind of working capital is provided by the venture capital firms. Then the third stage of the venture capital financing, it is also called as latter stage financing. The production is expanded, the requirement for working capital is also provided, then the further financial requirements will be provided by the working capital, venture capital funds. In this stage, the capital is provided to an enterprise that has basic marketing setup, typically for market expansion, acquisition, product development, etc. If the market is further expanded, or otherwise acquisition is made. Acquisition is in the sense acquiring the business of other companies. This is called acquisition, or some new product development stage. These are the further requirement of capital by the entrepreneur. At this stage, ventures try to multiply market shares by increasing the sales of the product and having better marketing promotion. Venture capital monitors the objectives of earlier stages, that is second stage and also for the current stage, to evaluate whether the team has made the expected cost reduction or not. So other kind of monitoring done by the venture capital firm, they have to evaluate the performance of the venture during the first stage, second stage, and up to the current stage, how they are making efforts to cost reductions and how effectively they are managing their funds. These things will be monitored by the venture capital firms, and if there is no efficient decisions made by the venture capital firms, they will give management support by offering valuable suggestions to increase their management efficiency. The continuation of the third stage, venture capitalists prefer this stage than any other stages as the rate of failure in the latter stage is low, because all the risky stages are completed already before this third stage. In this stage, the venture capital firms may hope the business will be grown further, so that the expected risk is less when compared to the previous stages. It is also because firms at this stage have track record of the management, past performance data, and established the procedure for financial data. The risk at this stage is still decreasing because venture relies on the income from the sales of the current product. In this stage, the business are becoming self-sustained because they are able to generate income in their own, and it can be able to further increase their sales turnover, so that there is a chances for profitability. Then the last stage, called IPO stage, it is a bridge finance stage. At this stage, the business may become a well-established one. Already I told you that the business is able to generate their own income through their sales and production, so that it can reach the IPO stage, in which the entrepreneur can avail the opportunity to expand their business by accepting finance from the public. It may be done through the IPO, in which the security shares and other securities can be floated in the public. They can go for public issue of their shares. By this public issue, the entrepreneur can raise further capital by offering their shares, by inviting the public to participate in their company as an entrepreneur, as a shareholder. Or otherwise, other means of IPO is the merger or acquisition. Merger in the sense it can be merged with some other existing enterprises. Acquisition means acquiring other entities which are already in the operations, which can be acquired. These are the things, these are the ways and means to eliminate the competitors. Okay, the entrepreneur can expand their business by inviting the public to procure shares and debentures. Other means of development are the merger and acquisition, through which the entrepreneur can eliminate the competitors. At this stage, venture has to determine the product position and, if possible, reposition it to attract the new market. These are the things done at this IPO stage. This stage, after this stage, the venture capital firm can go for exit strategy. Exit in the sense, I already told you that the entrepreneur may become the entire owner of the business by buyback of shares held by the venture capital firms. Otherwise, they can go for public offering. There are some active venture capital firms in India. They are offering venture capital financing to the new entrepreneurs. Some of the active venture capital firms operating in India are given as Excel partners. Their focus is only on the internet technology companies in India. Nexus Venture Capital Partners, they are financing the ventures irrespective of the nature and the type of the industry. They are accepting all the ventures, those which are viable. Then third one, Kalari Capital, it is an early stage technology focused venture capital firm with $650 million in assets under management. Then Venture East, it invests in IT and ITES, science related startups only. Then Ankur Capital Funds, it looks for entrepreneurs that can address core challenges in agri-tech, food, healthcare, skill development and education among others. Other one is the Bloom Ventures. They are also offering financing opportunities to all the viable projects. And Omnivore Partners, they are investing in startups from India, developing breakthrough technologies for food and agriculture. They are focusing on the food and agriculture related ventures. Helion Venture Partners, they are mainly invest in technology and technology powered businesses such as e-commerce, online services, mobility, enterprise software, outsourcing, and etc. Inventors Capital Partners, they are taking keen interest in funding eligible startup projects. These are some of the active venture capital firms operating nowadays in India. Thank you all for participating in this webinar. This is the session for clarifications. If the audience have any questions relating to the venture capital funds, can raise their questions before concluding our webinar. Session is open for discussion. MBA students can participate or otherwise raise your queries. Adiban sir. Tirusendil Adiban sir. Shall we conclude? As there is no interaction, now I conclude the session. I thank all the participants for spending your precious time with us. Hope the venture capital opportunity for early stage financing is a useful opportunity for the budding entrepreneurs, those who are having innovative ideas. Just try to prepare a model business proposal and try to submit it. Once it is viable, it can be financed by any of the venture capital firms where you are applying for it. Thank you one and all.